Hello! Possible ba na makatakbo ng 21 kilometers under 2 hours ang isang average person? With no experience, zero knowledge sa running, in just 2 weeks of preparation? Tara, let's find out! Hi guys! Ngayon ay day 13 ko na sa training para sa aking first ever half marathon. So kanina nag-training na ako, nag-easy 5k run lang ako, plus drills and 200 meter sprints. So ngayon, exactly 26-27 hours na lang before ang race. So, you know what it is. It's carbo loading time! Nandito kami ngayon sa Frankie's New York Buffalo Wings. Pero ano nga ba ang carbo loading? Carbo loading helps you start your race with full energy tanks, delay fatigue, and perform your best all the way to the finish line. First meal, twister fries. Business! Salted egg. One plate of carbs. Biscuit! Good, sarap ng kain. Another big day for tomorrow. Mabilis na shakeout run lang. Then, carbo load pa rin. That's all. Stay safe, guys. Shredded! Peace.